Eggs have long been the subject of debate and controversy among nutritionists and those concerned with diet and health. But now we have finally reached a consensus based on a series of recent studies. And the results are impressive. Eggs are true nutritional treasures full of benefits beyond your imagination. In this revealing video, dive deep into the secrets that have been unlocked. You will be amazed at the transformative power of eggs in your diet and health. The latest studies bring to light amazing benefits you never imagined. It's time to get to know the truth and make the most of all that eggs have to offer. Are you ready for a revelation that could completely change your life? Get ready to dive into a world of wonders and discover the secrets of success that are within your reach. And it all starts with one simple act: eating 2 eggs a day. But make no mistake, the power and transformation you will experience is absolutely extraordinary. In this video, I will share with you the 10 incredible benefits that will happen when you embrace this nutritional practice. But there is something I want to tell you right now: you need to watch it all the way to the end. I promise it's worth every second of your time, and you won't want to miss any details. Don't put it off until later. Take a moment of your time right now and dive into this transformational video. The 10 benefits are waiting for you, and each one of them could be the missing piece in your health and happiness puzzle. So get ready to be surprised, to challenge your limits, and to open yourself up to a new perspective of success and fulfillment. Don't miss the opportunity to discover how 2 eggs a day can transform your life in ways you never imagined. But before we continue, we would like to ask for your like and active participation in this channel dedicated to health. We know how important it is to receive valuable information about caring for the greatest asset in your life, which is your health. Enjoy the video, because the more people like it, the more YouTube will distribute it to those who also don't have access to this knowledge. By sharing the video with your friends and family, you will help more people. So remember to share. And enjoy after watching this video. Write down here in the comments if you like eggs, either fried or canned, or do you consume them in any different way. I'd love to read your comment, and what part of the United States or the world are you from? Now it's time to begin this journey of extraordinary health benefits. Watch the video to the end and discover the secret to success that comes from enjoying 2 eggs a day. Prepare to be inspired, informed, and empowered to reach your full potential. Transformation awaits you. Benefit 10: elevated energy and mental power. Eggs are recognized as a rich source of protein and amino acids. So by enjoying 2 eggs a day, you will increase your energy levels and achieve greater mental clarity. The abundant nutrition of eggs aids in enhancing brain performance, allowing you to think with clarity and concentration. Benefit 9: muscle growth and renewed strength. Eggs are rich in protein, which is essential for muscle growth. By enjoying 2 eggs daily, you will strengthen your muscles and promote their development. This is especially beneficial for exercise enthusiasts and those who wish to have a strong and sculpted body. Benefit 8: strengthened eyesight. Eggs are a source of vitamin A and lutein, essential nutrients for eye health. By consuming 2 eggs a day, you will protect your eyes and prevent age-related problems such as eye degeneration and eye diseases that affect clear vision. Benefit 7: preserved heart health. Eggs are low in fat, which contributes to the preservation of heart health. By enjoying 2 eggs daily, you will be taking care of your heart. In addition, the protein and amino acids present in eggs can help reduce the levels of bad cholesterol in the body. Benefit 6: radiant skin and gorgeous hair. Eggs contain essential nutrients such as biotin, vitamin E, and vitamin B12, which are critical for healthy skin and hair. By consuming 2 eggs a day, you will be nourishing your skin, leaving it radiant, and strengthening your hair, giving it a dazzling shine. Now that you have discovered the first 5 amazing benefits of eating 2 eggs a day, get ready to be even more amazed. In the rest of the video, we will reveal the secrets that will transform your life in ways you never imagined. Don't miss this unique opportunity to uncover the remaining benefits and change your perspective on the power of eggs. Watch to the end and be amazed by what is yet to come. Benefit 5. Cell renewal and fight aging. Within each egg yolk lies the power of renewal. Eggs are rich in antioxidants that fight free radicals and help slow down the aging process. By enjoying 2 eggs a day, you will be nourishing your cells and preserving your inner youth. Benefit 4. Bone strength and osteoporosis prevention. Bone health is a treasure that we must protect. Eggs are an excellent source of vitamin D and calcium, essential for bone health. By including 2 eggs in your daily diet, you will be strengthening your bones and preventing diseases like osteoporosis. Benefit 3. Emotional stability and well-being. Eggs are known to contain vitamin B12, which plays a crucial role in mood regulation and emotional balance. By enjoying 2 eggs a day, you will be nourishing not only your body, but also your mind, finding a sense of serenity and well-being. Benefit 2. Increased immunity and protection from disease. The health of the immune system is fundamental to a full and vibrant life. Eggs contain a variety of vitamins and minerals that strengthen the immune system, helping it to protect itself against disease. By consuming 2 eggs daily, you will be building a protective armor for your body. Benefit 1. Vitality and longevity. Finally, by embracing the routine of eating 2 eggs a day, you will be opening the door to a life full of vitality and longevity. Eggs are a natural source of vitality, providing energy, health, and a sense of fullness. Allow yourself the wonder of a life well lived. As you reflect on these 10 amazing benefits, you can see the transformative power that eggs have to offer. They are a true nutritional treasure that can propel your journey towards success and fulfillment in all areas of your life. Also, it is important to mention that each person is unique and may respond differently to food. Consulting a health professional or nutritionist before making any significant changes to your diet is always a wise decision. However, eggs have been widely recognized as a source of essential nutrients and health benefits. They are affordable, versatile, and delicious, making them a valuable addition to any balanced eating plan. So take advantage of the secrets unlocked and make eggs an ally in your quest for a full and healthy life. Try different preparations, be creative in the kitchen, and discover new ways to enjoy this nutritional treasure. Did you enjoy the video? We hope this information was helpful to you. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, activate the little bell to receive notifications, comment on your questions and suggestions, and share with your friends and family. I will leave 2 relevant recommendations here that are appearing for you. And remember to subscribe. And until the next video. Thank you very much.